Welcome everyone. Welcome to the next video of IMO. Uh, like uh, like the other videos, this is also a video of maths, right, for your Olympiad exam. And this is in this video we will just discuss and I will explain you the sums, right? So the first sum is what? The first sum is Meenakshi starts her football practice from 2nd of December. So Meenakshi starts her football practice from which date? From 2nd December 2000, whatever it is, maybe 2020 or yes, 2020. If she practices only on even number of days, if she practice only only on even number of days, like 2, 4, 2nd, 4th, 6, like this, then how many days did she practice in December the year 2020? Or assume every Sunday as holiday. For that you can see one calendar they have given, right? So if we take only even numbers, then we will get 2, 4, 6 is Sunday, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, then 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. So all together there are, actually if we count it, it is of 13 days. So here option number B, 13, will be the correct answer. Okay, going to the next question. Next question is what? Which clock shows 5 minutes past 10 a.m.? So 5 minutes past 10 a.m. is 10:05. It's very easy to assume, right? So which one? Which clock? Tell me children. 5 minutes past 10 means 10:05. So this clock is the correct, this clock is describing the correct number or the time of 5 minutes past 10 a.m. right? Going to the next. The given clock shows the time dash minute after 12 o'clock. So here you can see this is a clock and the time is 30 minutes after 12 o'clock. So it is 12:30. It is what? It is 12:30. So which option will be the correct one? Option D. Wait, let me do it once again for you. Option D will be the correct answer. Next, the sum of 2 rupees the sum of 2 10 rupees note, right? 10 rupees note, again 10 rupees note, and 320 rupees note. 320 rupees note. So 20 plus 20 plus 20. So 10 plus 2 is what? We know it very well. 10 plus 10 is 20. And 20 plus 20 plus 20. Let us count it. 20 plus 20 plus 20. 2 3s are if we do it like this, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So 60. So 60 plus 20. So what will be the sum? What will be the total sum or of the note? It is of rupees 80. So it means 4 number answer will be option B. Next is, these are very easy sums children. You can do it easily, but you need to practice. You need to read the question very fast and you need to understand that, right? Next one is what? how many rupees 5 coins you need to make rupees 50. Question is, you need to make rupees 50 and all you have 5 rupees coin. So if we divide 50 with 5, 5 tens are 50, right? So question number 5, the answer will be what? Answer will be 10. So option D. Clear? Now going to the next. A clock is 20 minutes slow. As you can see, this is a clock and we know that it is 1 means 5, here 2 means 10, 3 means 15, 4 means 20, 5 means 25, 6 means 30, 7 means 35, 8 means 40, this means 45, 10 means 50, 50, 11 means 55, 12 means total, right? 60. So here the question is what? The question is, a clock is 20 minutes slow. A clock is 20 minutes slow. What is the actual time if it is slowing, if it is showing 7:30? So if a clock is showing 7:30 a.m. suppose, and it is 20 minutes slow, so it is very easy to say, that as the clock is 20 minutes slow, the clock is 20 minutes slow, right? So if it is 7:30, so if it is 7:30 and if it is 20 minutes slow, so the correct time will be what? As in the question it is saying that the clock is 20 minutes slow, then the timing or the correct time will be 7:50. How I am doing it? 7:30. Wait, again I am showing it. 7:30 plus 20 minutes. 0, 5, 0. Yes. So the actual time is what? Actual time is 7:50. Now the option, just wait a bit. Let me do it. Yes. So option A will be the correct answer. Next. Priya left her office in the evening at the time shown in the clock. So it is 7:15. She waited 15 minutes in the bus. She waited 15 minutes for the bus and reached home at 9 p.m. So she left her office in the evening at 7:15 and she waited more 15 minutes, right? So 7:15 plus 15, it is 7:30, and time at which Priya reached home, it is 9 p.m. So the duration of our bus journey was 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay. Next one. Tinu started walking to the temple at 7:40. She reached the temple at 8:15. How long did she take to walk to the temple? 7:40 she left, or she started walking. And at what time she got reached? 8:15. 8:15. Okay. So time taking for by her to walk to the temple is 35 minutes. How I am doing it? I am showing. So number D. Question number D is what? 8. Sorry, question number 8 is what? Question number 8 is Tinu started walking to the temple at 7:40. She reached the temple at 8:15. How long did she take to walk to the temple? So the correct answer, she started walking to the temple is, the time was 7:40, and at what time she reached the temple? 8:15. So if we calculate, she actually takes 35 minutes. So here option number 35 will be the correct answer. Option D. Now the next. The next question is what? The cost of few items given below, which of the following pair of items costs the most? So here you can see rugby ball, rupees 400. Oh my god, it's so costly. One racket, tennis racket, 613. Oh my god, 623. It's much more. Cap 50. It's okay. And stumps is 395. Here the question is what? Which the cost of few items given, which of the following pair of items cost the most? So if we pair it like rugby ball plus tennis, so 400 plus 623, answer will be 1023, right? Cost of stumps is of 395, and rugby ball is of 400. So this cost 795. Like this, if we calculate cap with stumps 395, so it will cost as 445. Cost of tennis racket is of 623 plus cap is 50. It is of 673. So as we can see, rugby ball, and if we when we are added, so we can see rugby ball and tennis racket together cost the most. Which one? Rugby ball and tennis racket. So rugby ball and tennis racket is the most costly items. So option 1 or option A. Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Wait a bit, just let me zoom it for you. Which of the following is correct? 10 plus 10 plus 20 is equal to 50. So 20 plus 10, it's 30. No, it's wrong. 50 plus 50 plus 50 is 150. And in equal sign is 100 plus 50 is 150. So we got our answer. We won't go further. Option B will be the correct one. Next. Which is the costliest item? Which is the costliest item? Yes. So the doll is of 100 rupees. Piggy bank, I hope it is. Piggy bank of 153. T-shirt 105 and bag is 302. Oh my gosh. So option D. Which of the following, number 12, which of the following set of money is not enough to buy the given doll 125? Which set? So 50 plus 50, option A is 50 plus 50 plus 50. Yes, we can buy because it is 150. Now, the total cost of the doll is 125. Now, it is saying that which set of money is not enough. Listen children, you maybe get confused whether it is written not enough or enough. So make sure to read it twice, thrice. 125 So 20 plus 10 plus 5 plus 100, 115. This set is not applicable or enough to buy this ball. So option D. Next, a clock is 10 minutes fast. If the correct time is, actual time is 130, so what time will be the time shown in the clock? It is as simple as water, as it is 11:30, and if it is actually 10 minutes fast, so it is the correct 10 minutes fast, and actual time is 11:30, so the time is on clock is 11:40 a.m. Now, count the amount of the money Raghu has. 100, 100 plus 2, 102 plus 2 means let us count the coins first. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5 and 100. So 105. Easily understandable. Option D. Wait a bit. Let me do it again for you. Option D. Next. What is the time if it is 20 minutes to 12 noon? 20 minutes to 12 noon is 11:40. Gautam plays in a park from 6 p.m. to 7:25 p.m. How long did he play? First of all, 6 and 7. 6 p.m. he started, and he played till 7:25. So 1 hour 25 minutes. This one. The next question is what? Next question is Nitin went to a fruit shop. Do you like to eat fruits? Good. Nitin went to a fruit market or fruit shop and looked at all the fruits given below. Kiwi rupees 15, apple 30, grapes 40, berries 40 and bananas 30. So which two fruits could he not buy if he had only 70 rupees? 70. So first of all, let us see that which pair. Okay, cost of grapes and berries, if we all just add it, berries. So if we add berries, and grapes, so it is what? 40 plus 40 means 80. So he cannot buy it. So which two fruits he couldn't buy? Because he is 70, if we add berries and grapes, we got rupees 80. So option B. Next one. Which two fruits could he okay, how many of the given items can he buy if he had 18, only 18 rupees if he had? How many items he can buy if he had only 18? We can see kiwi is only 50 rupees, rather every fruit is more than 20. So option the answer will be 1. 18, 1. The next one, 19. 1 hour 5 minutes after 4 p.m. is 1 hour means 4. It is after 4 p.m. means 1 hour. 4 p.m. plus 1 means 5, and again plus 5. So 5. Next 20. At 7:45, the hour hand of the clock will be near to. So the question is what? At 7:45, the hour hand of the clock will be near to. Yes. At 7:45, the hour hand of the clock will lie near to 8. Next, everyday is mathematics. So Anushka reached a mall at 11:45 a.m. She shopped there for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Then she left the mall. At what time did she leave the mall? So she's reached mall at 11:45. Right? She shopped there for 1 hour. So 11 plus 1 means 12 o'clock and 1 hour 15 minutes. So there 45 minutes and again 15 minutes here. So if we calculate it, properly, we will get the time, total time, right? So time at which she left the mall at 1 hour 15 minutes after 11:45, which is 1 p.m. So the option C. Aman got the amount shown at his birthday gift. Which of the following option is not correct with respect to the amount of money shown there? So amount of money shown, rupees 1 plus 10 plus 20 plus 100, that is 131, right? So option A is the, here you can see that he has got 1 plus 10 plus 20 plus 100. So option A is what? 131. Option B is what? 100 plus 20, 120 plus 70, it's 90 plus 10, it's 200 plus 1. So this amount is not showing as the amount, or the picture is given of the given picture of money is not correct. So option B will be the correct answer. Number 23. Shima started driving at 6:20 p.m. She reached her destination at 8:30. How long did she drive? So she started at 6:20 and she reached at 8:30. So the time which she takes is 2 hours and 10 minutes. Correct answer is 2 hours and 10 minutes. Option C. Wait, let me zoom it. Yes. 2 hours and 10 minutes. Clear? Manisha has rupees 984. She purchased the following items. How much money is left with her after shopping? She had, first of all, we need to see how much money she had. She had only, wait a bit. She had 984 rupees she had, and she purchased 499 and 209. So first of all we need to add these two items, this item and this item. So 499 plus 209. 9 plus 9 is 18. 1 will be carried. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1. Again 1 carried. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1. 708. And she had how much, the total amount she had? 984. So if we subtract 708 with 984, so the money, if the subtraction or the amount will be 276 rupees, 276. Here the correct answer is 276, means option 1, this one. Next, Anjali takes 30 minutes to complete one round to the park. So how much time she takes? She is taking 30 minutes. Okay, how long will she take to complete 2 rounds? Oh my god, it's very easy to say. If she takes 30 minutes, okay, in one round, so obviously she will take 30 plus 30 means 60 minutes. So here option D. Why option D? Because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So both are answers, both A and B. Next, Achibos section or HOTS. HOTS means, what does HOTS means? Higher order thinking skill, right? So Chintu has rupees 10. Chintu has rupees 10. Her father, Chintu. Chintu is a girl, boy name I hope. But here, let what to do. Chintu has rupees 10. Her father gave him, again her, here her and here him. So basically it will be his father, right? So Chintu has rupees 10 and his father gave him rupees 20 more as pocket money. They are so lucky they are getting pocket money. We didn't get actually. So Chintu has 10 minutes, so rupees 10, and his father gave him 20 more, 20 rupees more. So which of the following item he cannot buy from the money he has? So first of all, let us add it. So rupees 20 plus 10 is 30. Easily understandable. 20 plus 10 is 30. So which of the following items he cannot buy with this rupees 30? He cannot buy. He can buy this one. He can buy this one. He cannot buy from the money he has, right? So 20, 10, 15, 15, this pair also he can buy. 8, 28, 22 plus 8, 30, this can he also can buy, but 12 plus 19, no, he cannot buy this. Why? Because I'm just showing it once more. He had 30 rupees and this set, like this rocket and balloon, costs 12 plus 19. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 31. Only, but he has only 30 rupees 30. So he cannot buy this. So the correct option will be option D. Right? Now, Anil, Kunal, Sumit and Samir. Anil, Kunal, Sumit and Samir leave their respective home at 7:30 for the school. Anil reaches school at 7:45. Kunal reaches at 7:40. Sumit reaches at 7:50 and Samir reaches 7:39. Who reaches earliest to the school? Who reaches late? Very easy and easily understandable. Option like Samir, who actually who reaches earliest? Samir. And who is late? The last one, Sumit. So option A. Next, Rohit spent 250 rupees to buy. Sumit spends rupees 250 to buy two of the following. Which of two of the following did he buy? Rupees 50. This bike, toy bike is 200. Doll 100. Shirt is 150. Toy car is 80. So he spends 250. Right? He had. So the cost of doll is 100. Cost of doll is what? 100. And the cost of shirt is 150. If we add it, 100 plus 150, so it means 250. Okay, so which option is the correct one? Number B. Number B is the correct answer. Now coming to the next, that is 29. Vinu buys one costliest item and one cheapest item. If he gives a 50 rupees note to the seller, then how much? 50 rupees note to the seller, then how much money will he get back from the seller? So he actually buys costliest. burger is of 20, chips are of 12, chocolates 15 and milkshake is 10. So he buys one costliest item, okay, and one cheapest item. Here you can see costliest is what? Costliest item is burger, right? So burger is the costliest as it's cost 20, the highest, and the 20, and the cheapest is what? Cheapest is rupees 10, that is milkshake. So total cost 20 plus 10, that is 30, and he gave 50 rupees note. So 50 minus 30, so it is 20. The correct answer is what? Correct answer is option B, 20. Rohan starts his dance practice from second Monday on June 2020. If every Sunday is a holiday and he practiced regularly for 14 days, remember 14 days, then his practice finishes on Sunday is holiday. So we need to remember that this Sunday we need to cut. So we will cut it. Okay. Now he starts from second Monday. So second Monday it starts means this. So if we count it 14, so we will get that on 23rd of June. 23rd of June he will finishes his dance practice, that is Tuesday. So he finishes at Tuesday, right? This was for the day, children. I hope you have understood, you learned something. It will be very good if you practice it twice, thrice. Okay, thank you.